There is a cemetery in China unlike any other in the world. Here the dead are not buried underground. Instead, their bodies rest behind clear glass panels, allowing visitors to watch how a human being slowly returns to nature over time. Yet this place is not meant to frighten. It is a space for reflection, a silent reminder of the destiny shared by all living beings. Visitors stand in quiet respect, observing the scene with a mix of awe and humility. In those still moments, they begin to feel the true weight of life's fragility and its value. The message of this unusual cemetery is simple but powerful. Remember that you are mortal. So live sincerely, live with purpose, and leave behind something meaningful, something that will outlast you. Because in the end, it is not the body behind the glass that matters, but the legacy you create while you're alive.